Mastering virtual networking. Connect and grow online. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very timely and important topic, virtual networking. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking to expand your social circle, understanding how to network online can open many doors for you. So, let's explore what virtual networking is, why it's crucial, especially in today's digital age, and how you can excel at it. Virtual networking is the process of building and maintaining professional relationships over the internet. This can be done through various online platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and even specific industry forums. Unlike traditional face-to-face networking, virtual networking allows you to connect with people from all over the world, breaking down geographical barriers and providing greater flexibility. Key points to remember: virtual networking is about making connections online. It allows for global interaction without the need for physical presence. Platforms can range from social media to professional forums. In today's world, where remote work and digital communication are becoming the norm, virtual networking has never been more important. It's a powerful tool for career development, discovering job opportunities, getting recommendations, and learning from industry experts. Knowledge sharing, exchanging ideas, staying updated with industry trends, and finding solutions to common challenges. Building a personal brand, showcasing your skills, achievements, and professional interests to a broader audience. Remember, the goal of virtual networking is not just to collect contacts but to forge meaningful relationships that offer mutual benefits. To make the most of virtual networking, here are some effective strategies. 1. Be active on relevant platforms. Regularly update your profile, share insightful content, and engage in discussions. 2. Personalize your interactions. When reaching out to new contacts, mention specific interests or works that caught your attention. 3. Offer value. Share your expertise, offer help, or introduce connections that might benefit both parties. 4. Follow up. Keep the conversation going by checking in periodically, sharing relevant information, or simply saying hello. Tips for success: keep your online profiles professional and up-to-date. Practice good online etiquette. Be polite, respectful, and patient. Quality over quantity. Focus on building strong connections rather than amassing a large number of weak contacts. We hope this guide helps you navigate the world of virtual networking with confidence and success. Remember, like any form of networking, it's about building trust and relationships over time. Be genuine, be curious, and most importantly, be yourself. Happy networking, and we'll see you in the next video.